To add an Excel file to Looker Studio, you need to first convert the Excel file into a format that Looker Studio can use, such as Google Sheets. Here's a step-by-step guide. Prepare your Excel file. Format data. Ensure your Excel file has a clean structure with headers in the first row for each column. Save as CSV. Open your Excel file and save it as a CSV file. Go to File, Save As, choose CSV and save the file. Upload to Google Sheets. Open Google Sheets. Go to Google Sheets and sign in with your Google account. Import CSV. Create a new sheet by selecting File, Import. Upload your CSV file by dragging it into the import window or selecting it from your device. Choose Replace Current Sheet and click Import Data. Connect to Looker Studio. Open Looker Studio. Go to datastudio.google.com. Create or open report. Choose an existing report or create a new one. Add data source. Click on Add the data source. Select Google Sheets. Choose the Google Sheet you uploaded, select the relevant sheet and click Add. Create visualizations. Build charts. Drag and drop fields from the connected Google Sheet to create charts and visualizations. Save and share. Save. Click Save to apply changes. Share. Use sharing options to collaborate with others.